What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here, back with another video. In this one, it's not going to be about a new strategy to make money online. It's just not that. Today, what I want to do is I want to show you how to manifest money fast. And I want to specifically show you my technique and what I do, all right? So one of the things that you're going to notice about my office here, my home office, okay, wherever I go, is I have a bunch of whiteboards, and I carry whiteboards around with me all the time. This is pretty much one that I carry around with me all the time. You can see this whiteboard has been banged up. It has scratches, it has dents, but I buy these all the time, all right? And so I have a big whiteboard here, I have a small whiteboard here, I have a wall over on this side, that's just a whiteboard. It's a 8 by 8 foot wall, which is just covered in whiteboard material. So I like to write stuff down. If I want to manifest anything, whether it's money, health, success, better family life, personal life, whatever, right? I'm gonna write it down. And that's pretty much what I did right here, and I'm gonna explain this to you in a second. This is just my manifestation for today, okay? Just for today. Not for, weeks or months, on end. It's just for today. And what I like to do if I want to manifest anything, especially money, is I plan it out. I figure out what is my goal, okay? Now, I'm going to use goal and manifest somewhat interchangeably, but they're pretty much they're kind of the same thing. They're a little bit different, right? So here's what I mean. A goal is just something that you want to hit this, okay? When you manifest something, you are thinking, you're feeling it, you feel empowered. You are going to accomplish that. And so today, what I did, my kind of manifestation and affirmations, and I also have a reward here as well, and I'm going to show you that in a second. But the first thing you got to do is you need to write down your intention and be specific, okay? And I know a lot of people think, I want to make $1 million. Great, that's a good goal. If you haven't made a single dollar online, making $1 million is a very tall task. I'd suggest you make $1 million. That would be your ultimate goal. But to manifest, I would say I'm going to make $1,000, today. I'm going to make $1,000 this week. Okay, I'm going to manifest that. I'm going to think this into it's actually going to happen. And sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. But in most cases, you are closer to where you want to be. So very first thing is write down your intention and be specific, okay? So here's what I did. Here is my intention for today. Okay, hopefully you can read that. It says, I will complete a $100,000 blueprint by 8 p.m. That is my intention. I intend to complete that. And so this is how I'm going to manifest money fast, is I'm going to complete small goals, that all these small goals combined will help me and lead me to the money. Okay? If I just think, I'm going to make $1 million by, next week, and I have no action, I have no plan in place to achieve that, really all I'm doing is hoping, wishing, praying that somebody comes to my house, comes to my office, hands me $1 million and just walks away. Okay? Is that going to happen? Probably not. So you need to have a plan in place. You want to manifest anything? Have a plan first. Okay? If you have a plan, you can take action. There's going to be some intent to that action. Okay? Just like I wrote down here. My intention for today is I will complete the $100,000 blueprint by 8 p.m. Now, you don't know what that $100,000 blueprint is. It's a new guide I'm putting out that covers pretty much everything that I can do to make over $100,000 per year. Okay, so that's exactly what and it's not going to be available now when this video is released. It'll be available later on. You can go and get it. It'll be absolutely free. Okay, the second thing that I do, which is very important. Okay, now what most people do is they write down their intention. They want to manifest this, and that's it. But what I like to do, okay, I take it one step further. What I like to do is with every intention or goal, I write down 3 affirmations. Okay, so you can kind of see what that is here. Hopefully you can see it. There you go. Okay, there they are. So I forgive myself for not being perfect. Okay, that is a positive affirmation. I'm okay with that. I don't care if I'm not perfect. Okay? Perfection is not going to lead you to any greater things. It's just not. You have to learn from failure. So imperfections are going to be one of the best tools. Right? So there you go. Next thing, I exercise daily for more quality energy. Now I could, and I do it all the time, I drink a Pepsi, for a little bit of added energy. Is that the healthiest thing to do? No. But I'll either drink a Pepsi, which I usually have like half a day, or I'll have like an energy drink, which is definitely not healthy, but that is one of my affirmations, is I exercise daily for more quality energy. Okay? So another positive affirmation, which helps me, which all this stuff points to how I'm going to complete, that goal, or that thing that I'm going to manifest, my intention, right? I will complete the $100,000 blueprint by 8 p.m. Okay? That's my intention. If I want to manifest anything, I'm going to write down an intention that's going to help me complete that. And then from there, I'm going to write down some affirmations, 3 affirmations as how to, I'm going to complete that, or why I'm able to complete that. So the third one is, see it right there, I have a lot to offer. Okay? That's the third positive affirmation, is I do have a lot to offer. I don't care if I'm not perfect. I'm fine with that. And also, I exercise daily for more quality energy. There you go. Those are 3 affirmations that will help me when it comes to that one intention. Okay? I know a lot of people that write down stuff. They just write down stuff just for the sake of writing it down. And they never look at it, never read it. This is something I do daily. Okay? Now this is actually a double-sided whiteboard. You can use either side. Okay? I usually just use one side, clean it off at the end of the day once it's complete, because the last thing I do is I have a reward. Okay? My reward, and it almost every single time, every single day, every week, every month, my reward revolves around my family. Okay? Family life. That's it. So my reward, when I complete this, I will take my family for ice cream. You're probably thinking, I'm going to do this $100,000 blueprint. I'm going to do all this stuff, spend however many hours it takes, and all I'm going to do is go get ice cream with my family. For me, that's good quality family time. Okay? So I don't have to really worry about manifesting a better family life, personal life, relationship with my wife, because that's something that I do. That's something that is the reward. Okay? My reward almost every single time is I'm going to take my family to ice cream. We're going to go on a little vacation. It doesn't have to be expensive. It can go be a day vacation, a daycation, right? It doesn't have to be some week or month-long vacation. It could be something simple. We go to the park, go to some hotel locally, spend time in some, hotel pool. Just something different, right? That's all I'm doing. So if you want to manifest money fast, first thing you need to do is to figure out a plan, to have some action behind that plan. The action, like I said, is the intent. The first thing up here is the intent. This is what I intend to do today. I've already started it. I will finish it by 8 p.m. Okay? The next thing I do is I always write down 3 positive affirmations that, go hand in hand with that intent. How am I able to complete this? Why? What have I done? What I've done is, I exercise. I understand I'm not perfect, and I have a lot to offer. And the last thing I do is I give myself a reward. That's it. That's all you have to do. I know I didn't cover a lot of different things. It wasn't like a 10, 15 step process as to how to manifest money correctly, fast, quickly, effectively, anything like that. It was just what I do. This is what I do. I do it on a daily basis, do it on a weekly basis, do it on a monthly basis, and I also do it yearly. Because if you want to manifest anything, again, write it all down. You don't have to write it all down on the fanciest piece of paper. You don't have to write it all down on the biggest whiteboard. My bigger whiteboard is empty. This one just explains why I do what I do, why I make money online. It's pretty simple. The reason why is because I have time freedom, have no boss, I get faster growth, and I have financial freedom. Those are 4 reasons why I make money from home or work online. Right? So, if you guys have any questions whatsoever, let me know. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you need help figuring out how do you manifest anything, again, let me know. I'll try to help you out any way that I can. Just ask your questions down in the comment section below. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, like always, smash that thumbs up button. It helps out the video. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.